Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to allow call logs access on Facebook, step by step. If you've been getting notifications that Facebook doesn't have permission to access your call logs, or certain features aren't working properly, this guide will help you fix that in just a few quick taps. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your privacy, permissions, and app controls are managed. Take a moment to scroll through and look for the section labeled Apps, or sometimes called App Management depending on your phone. It may have a slightly different name, but it serves the same function. Next, from your list of installed apps, scroll down until you find Facebook. Tap on it to open the App Details page. This page gives you access to different settings that control how Facebook interacts with your phone, including notifications, storage, battery usage, and most importantly, permissions. Now tap on Permissions. This is the area where you can choose what kind of information the Facebook app can access. You'll see different categories such as contacts, storage, microphone, and call logs. Find call logs and tap on it. You'll be given a few options, usually allow, deny, or ask every time. To make sure Facebook can sync or display relevant call information properly, choose Allow. Once you've granted permission, that's it. You've successfully enabled call logs access for your Facebook app. This will ensure that any features on Facebook that use call log data, such as syncing or communication tools, can work smoothly. If you ever want to manage this permission again, just repeat these same steps and switch it back to deny or ask every time. It's completely under your control. Thanks for watching.